Jai Swaminarayan friends. In last video lecture, we start the topic relation. Now in this video lecture, we give the some example and we clarify the concept of the relation. Look here. One of the example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our question relation S is equal to S or R. You can anyone use. S equal to AB such that modulus A minus B is an even number. Modulus A minus B is an even number. That means you can subtract A minus B or B minus A, anyone. And your question, second method, A minus B is divisible by 2. In your examination, ask the question in another method, this one. A minus B is divisible by 2. You can already study in 10th standard, first chapter. Yeah? And third method, questions, A modulo B. What? A modulo B. Here we write modulo B. That is modulo 2. Modulo 2. That means A minus B or B minus A is divisible by 2. A minus B or B minus A is divisible by 2. That means modulo 2. Here modulo 3, that is divisible by 3. Modulo 4, that is divisible by 4. Right? Okay. Here we write only this one. Now erase one. Okay. Now we write the code. First we write the universal set. First we write universal set. So A cross A. Here total 7 element. You can A cross A. So total how many brackets? 49. We start here 1 1 up to 7 7. It is your universal set. A cross A is the universal set. Now we write the S, that is relation. Now we check this one condition. S equal to AB such that modulus A minus B is an even number. Even number. Otherwise even integer. Okay. First, total how many brackets here? 1 1 possible. Yeah. Because 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 is an even number. Yeah. 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6, 7 7. Clear? Now another total here 49 brackets. We start this, satisfy this condition. Okay? Here any one bracket subtraction is 0. 0 is an even number. Okay. Now pack the first line. 1 1 is completed. Now 1 3. 3 minus 1 2. 2 is even number. Then 1 5. Then 1 7. Okay. Now second line. 2 1 is not possible because 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 2 possible. 2 4 possible. 2 6 possible. Okay. 4 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 4. 2 7 is not possible. Okay. Now third line. 3 1 is possible. 3 3 is already given. 3 5 and 3 7. Okay. Now fourth line. 4 2 possible. 4 4 is given. Then 4 6 is given. Okay. 4 7 is not possible. 5 1 possible. 5 3 possible. 5 5 is already come. This one. Then 5 7. Okay. Sixth line. 6 1 not possible. 6 2. 6 4. 6 6 is given. 7 1. 7 3. 7 5 and 7 7 is here. This one. So total we have in a universal set 49 bracket. So here total 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 3, 25. So total 25 brackets satisfy this condition. Clear? Okay. Now we check the property. First one, reflexive property. Which one? Reflexive property. reflexive property, that is A relation A. Same elements. Which one? Same element. Look here. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. Same element here. Clear? So this one satisfy, this set is to satisfy the reflexive property. Clear? Okay. 1, 1, 2. Here we start 1 up to 7. So compulsory 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7 included in this set. Right? So we must say that reflexive property satisfy this relation. Okay. Now second one. Symmetric property. Symmetric property, A relation B and converse B relation A, both are possible in this set. Verify. Check it. You can select any one bracket. Suppose 1, 1. Or change the order. 1, 1. 2, 2. Change the order. 2, 2. 3, 3. Change the order. 4, 4. That means 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7 is satisfy the symmetric property. We check another bracket. Look here. Suppose 1, 7. 7, 1 here. 3, 7. 7, 3 here. 5, 3. 3, 5 here. 5, 7. 7, 5 here. 6, 2. 6, 2. 2, 6 here. 6, 2. Change the order. 2, 6. Symmetric, that means A relation B. Here A relation B. B relation A. Is that clear? So it is called symmetric property. That means this relation satisfies the symmetric property. Okay. Now transitivity. Okay, transitivity relation. A relation B, B relation C. So A relation C. Verify. Check here. You can select any one bracket. Suppose we can select here this one 3, 5. Here you can say A and B. Okay. Now select 5. First of the element of the 5 in bracket. 5, this one. So 3, 5 and 5, 1. It is your B and C. 3, 1, 3, 5, 5, 1. A, B, B, C. Now 5 is the common element. So relation 3, 1 is possible here. 3, 1. Yeah, this one. Again verify. Suppose 7, 3. 7, 3. It is your A and B. So 3 is the first element of the, in which bracket? Here. Here. Here also. Here also. Suppose 3, 7. 3, 7. B and C. Common element 3. So relation A relation 7 relation 7. 7, 7 is here. Clear? Transitivity, that is you can select any bracket 7, 5. A, B. Here 5, 7. B, C. Common elements 5 cancel. 7, 7 is the here. Again 7, 5 and 5, 3. 5 is the common. Right? So third A relation C 7, 3. 7, 3 is here. Yeah. Okay. Anyone another condition 6, 2. So 2 is here. 2, 4. Common element 2. 6, 4. 6, 4 is common. Yeah. Here. 6, 2 and 2, 6. 2 is the common. So third bracket 6, 6. Here. Is that clear? So transitivity property is also satisfied. Again we repeat transitivity in only this bracket. Only this up to this here. Up to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 brackets are always satisfy reflexive, symmetric and transitivity. We check here. This one say A and B. 1, 1. 1 relation 1. A and B. Again 1 relation 1. A, B, B, C. 1 relation 1, it is called AR, 1R1. Again 1 relation 1, it is called 1R1 because our common element is the 1. Right? So common element cancel. So relation 1, 1. So you give the question 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7. Only up to this bracket. Only here. Only 7 bracket. Only 7 bracket is always 7 satisfy reflexive, symmetric and transitivity. Is that clear? Okay. So here in this question, in this question satisfy reflexive, symmetric and transitivity. So it is called equivalence relation. What? Equivalence relation. Is that clear? Okay. Now we introduce another one word, equivalence classes. Equivalence classes. So equivalence classes is what? We write here. Here our number a minus b is an even number. That means divisible by 2. That is divisible by 2. First we write a1 and second we write a2. Look here. a1 and a2. We start here any one number. Any one number. Suppose we start here 3. Right? Difference between two numbers is an even number. 3, 5 and 7. Because up to 7. Also you can start here 1 also. 1. So here we have 1, 3, 5, 7. Difference between any two number is an even number. Okay. Now next number 1, then after 2. So 2, 4 and 6. Because here up to last number is 7. A1 is 1. So suppose we start here 1. So 1, 3, 5, 7. Then next number 1. Then next second 2. 2, 4. Because 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 2, 4 and 6. Clear? Now union of these two number. Union of these two number. It is your universal set. Set itself. So A1 union A2 equal to A. Is that clear? So these two classes are called equivalence classes. Here A minus B is an even number. So here A1 and A2, two equivalence classes are possible. If A minus B is n divisible by 3, divisible by 4, we discuss this sum. Then next sum. So possible is here equivalence classes. Clear is that? Okay. Now we discuss another sum and next one. Okay, we discuss another sum. Here we write Z cross Z. This is our universal set. Z cross Z. This is our universal set. Both here infinite set. Okay. Our relation are equal to set of AB such that A minus B is divisible by 3. A minus B is divisible by 3. Okay. We write here. Which one bracket? 0, 0 possible? Yeah. 1, 1 possible? Yeah. Minus 1 possible? Yeah. Same elements are always possible because subtraction of this two number is always 0 and 0 is divisible by any number. Clear? So here 0, 0 same element are possible. So it is satisfy reflexive relation. Clear? Reflexive is possible because reflexive property is what? Same element A R A. Okay, so this one A, B, B, C, C. Clear? Okay. So here reflexive property satisfied. Dash, dash, dash. Okay. Now we check the symmetric property. Symmetric. Change the order. Suppose we write here 1, 4. Because 4 minus 1, 1 minus 4, 3 divisible by 3. Suppose here 1, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. Divisible by 3. Okay. 1, 4 is possible. 4, 1 is also possible. Because 4 minus 1 is 3. Right? Our concept is what? Divisible by 3. So 1 minus 4, yeah, 4 minus 1. 3 or minus 3 is not possible, but divisible by 3. Okay? 1, 7 is possible. 7, 1 is also possible. Any number. Suppose 2 and 14. 2, 14 possible because 14 minus 2, 12. 12 divided by 3. Yeah, possible. So 14, 2 is also possible. Clear? Okay. So symmetric property is also satisfied. Now we check the transitivity property. Check here. Giving the 3 brackets. Suppose 14 and 70. Subtraction 3. Right? 17 and 23. Subtraction 6. Divisible by 3. Yeah. This is your A, this is your B, and this is your B, and this is your C. So here A relation B, B relation C. So here A relation C possible it. 14 and 23 possible. 14 and 23. Check here. 23 minus 14, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Yeah. So here 14 and 23 is also possible in this curly bracket. Clear? So here A relation B, B relation C. We check here A relation C is possible. If possible, that we check here this two number is divisible by 3 or yes or no. If yes, so transitivity possible. If no, transitivity is not possible. Is that clear? Okay, so here in this bracket, test, transitivity is also possible. Clear? Okay. So this relation is called equivalence relation. Which one? Equivalence relation. Now we discuss equivalence classes. Okay. So here A1, A2, A3. Because here divisible by 3. So we write here 3 equivalent classes possible. How is it? You start any one number because in Z, any one number. Okay, suppose we start here 0. Test, 0. Now adding 3. Difference between two numbers is 3. 3, 6, 9. Test. Clear? In left side minus 3, minus 6, etc. Okay. Now next number from 0, 1. Next number from 0, 1. Now adding 3, 4, 7, 10. Test. 0, 1. Next number from 1, 2, 5, 8, 11. Difference between any two number is 3. Right? Because difference is divisible by 3. Okay? Now suppose we write here 4. 0, 1, 2. Next number from 2 is 3. 3 is here. So not we write here. Same set. If we write here 3, then there is same line. 3, 6, 9. Right? So here A4 is not possible. So A1 union A2 union A4 equal to Z. Union of these two numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in left side also negative number. Clear? So this one is called equivalence classes. Our question is 3 is divisible by 3, so here difference is 3. Our question is divisible by 5, our difference is 5. Is that clear? Okay, so here 3 equivalence classes is possible. Okay, now discuss here another question. Next one. Next sum, Z cross Z this one. This is our universal set. Now relation R equal to AB such that A minus B is divisible by 6. Okay. So first we take here divisible by 6. Same element here. 0, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 21. 5, 5, 10, 10, 11, 11. Same elements here possible. So this one satisfies reflexive property. Clear? Okay. Now another bracket is 1, 7. 7 minus 1. 6. Right? Another bracket is change the order. 1, 7 is possible. 7, 1 is also possible. Suppose our 6 divisible. Here 14. 2, 14 possible. Yeah. 14 minus 2, 12. 12 is divisible by 6. So 14, 2 is also possible. So symmetric is also satisfied. Symmetric is also satisfied. Clear? Because A relation B, B relation A. A relation B, B relation A. Here change the order A relation B, B relation A. A relation B, B relation A. 0, 0 change the order 0, 0. 1, 1 change the order 1, 1. Okay? Now we check the transitivity property. You can select difference between any two number is 6. Otherwise divisible by 6. Right? Okay. Suppose 50. 50 and 80. 80 minus 50, 30. 30 is divisible by 6. Yeah. Then 80 and 110. Again difference 30. Again difference 30. You cannot write, suppose 113. Check here. 113 minus 80. 113 minus 83. 11 minus 8. Our divisible by 6. So here 6. Check here 6. So here 6. 56 is divisible by 6. 6 9s are 54. Right? So here we write 54. 4. 114 minus, here change the number, 80 and 116. So 116 minus 80, 6 minus 0, 11 minus 8, 33. So answer is 36. So 36 is divisible by 6. Okay. So you can write here A relation B, here B relation C. Now check the bracket. 50 and 116, A relation C. Subtract this two number, 116 minus 50, 6, 11 minus 5, 6, 66 is divisible by 6. Yeah. Clear? So it is possible to transitivity relation. Is that clear? Okay. So transitivity, A relation B, B relation C. So A relation C is possible. So it is called transitivity. If A relation C is subtraction, difference is not divisible by 6. So transitivity is not possible. But here reflexive, symmetric and transitivity also possible. So it is called equivalence relation. Which one? Equivalence relation. Now we write equivalence classes. So we write equivalence classes here. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Because here divisible by 6. Okay. Now A1, start any number. Start any number. Generally we start here 0. So 0, now adding 6. In your right left side, subtract 6. You can write right side. So addition 6. 6, 12, 18. Difference is 6, 18, 24, dash, dash, dash. Now we do. Now then next number is 0 from 0, 1, 7, 13, 19, 25, dash, dash, dash. Next number 2, 8, 14, 20, 26, dash, dash, dash. Right? Next number from 2, 3, 9, 15, 21, 27, dash, dash, dash. Dash, dash, dash. 4, 10, 16, 22, 28, dash, dash, dash. Then next one, 5, 11, 17, 23, 29, dash, dash, dash. If you can write a 7, next number is from 5 is 6. So 6 is here. Look here. Right? So we write here 7th equivalence class. So same number equivalence class from A1. So it's not is possible. Right? So total 6 equivalent classes. Now union of these 6 classes. Union of A1, union A2, union A3, union A4, A5, A6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Right? Completely your Z. So in write your short form AI. First we write completely A1 union A2, union A3, union A4, union A5, union A6 equal to Z. But you write in short form AI equal to Z, where I equal to 1 to 6. Put here I equal to 1, so A1. Put here I equal to 2, A2. Put here I equal to 3, A3. And here this symbol is union. Union of AI, another method. Union of AI, where I equal to 1 to 6 equal to Z. Union of AI, I equal to 1 to 6 equal to Z. Put here I equal to 1, I equal to 2, and union is the symbol. Right? We have already studied in statistic. We use the symbol sigma. Sigma, that is sum. Sum of these 5 number, 10 number, 15 number. Right? So here we use the symbol union. So union A1 to A6, we write short form AI, union of AI, I equal to 1 to 6. Then whole union, it is called Z. Complete. Okay. Thank you very much.